kay Tata Hector. Para po sa inyo.
Yesterday, when I was young, the taste of love was sweet as rain upon my tongue. A taste of love was here. It's where a foolish game, the way and embrace my taste of on the flame. The thousand dreams I dream, the splendid things I plan, and always meant to last on a weak and shifting sand. I lay by night and shoot the naked light of day. I've only now I see how the years have run away. Yesterday, when I was young, there were so many songs waiting to be sung. So many wild pleasures lay in store for me, and so much pain my dazzled eyes refuse to see. I ran so fast to time, I knew that last run out. I never stopped to think what life was all about, and every conversation I can now recall concerned itself with me and nothing else at all. Yesterday, the moon was blue, and every crazy day brought something new to do. I use my magic age as if it were one. I never saw the waste and emptiness beyond. The game of love I play with arrogance and pride, and every frame I lit so quickly died. The friends I made on seems somehow to drift away. If only now I'm left on stage to when I play. There are so many songs and me that won't be sung. I feel the bitter taste of tears upon my tongue. The time has come for me to pay for yesterday when I was young. Yesterday, when I was young, there were so many songs waiting to be sung. So many wild pleasures lay in store for me, and so much pain my dazzled eyes refuse to see. Yes. sun.